What's up guys? Today we will be testing one of the most advanced webcams on the market in 2023. It is called BenQ ideaCam S1 Pro. You know, it is not just a webcam, but also a document camera and a microscope. It has 4 modes of use, such as portrait, desk view, handheld and macro. The new BenQ camera comes with a remote control called Inspire Control Pack. You can use it to resize and refocus the image, mute, freeze, etc. Okay, let's do an unboxing and then see how to use the new webcam. So on the box we can read that the BenQ ideaCam S1 Pro is an intelligent conference camera, and there are also main features of the camera on the back of the box, such as auto switch mode, 3 camera modes, AI noise reduction, 8 megapixels Sony sensor, 15x magnifying lens, remote controller and privacy shade. Inside the box we have an envelope with a quick start guide and other documentation, and then there is a webcam, a stand or a monitor mount, 15x magnifying lens, USB receiver, 2 AAA batteries for remote control, and the remote control itself. You know, BenQ is a world-famous brand, so they pay special attention to the packaging of their products. For example, I have never seen Chinese manufacturers put batteries for the remote control in the kit. I have very good impressions from unboxing the new BenQ webcam. Now let's take a closer look at the BenQ ideaCam S1 Pro. The new webcam is actually very compact. It is 52 by 52 by 43 mm. The weight is 70 grams. The built-in power cable has a length of 1.5 meters. It has a USB-A connector, and there are also 2 buttons on the webcam. The first button turns on the flash, while the second one freezes the frame. Talking about the stand or a monitor mount, it has a lock switch, so you can install it at the angle you want. By the way, the manufacturer recommends installing a mount first and only then attaching the camera. When the camera is mounted, you can lower it down to shoot your desktop. Another mode of use is handheld. The camera is very easy to remove from the mount, and there is no magnet or something else, so you can take the camera off very quickly. By the way, I found in user manual that you have to hold the camera with the buttons up. Pay attention to this. You know, the mount also has a 1/4 inch screw hole, so you can install it on a tripod. Macro lens has a magnetic mount, so you just need to put it on the camera. Later we will check how the macro lens works. I also have a remote control for the new BenQ webcam. It is actually sold separately. I think the remote control is worth the extra $20. First, you have to insert the batteries into the remote control, and then connect the USB receiver to your laptop or computer. Now the remote control is ready to use. However, you should know that the remote control only works through the BenQ software called Inspire. It is actually a browser-based software. Let's talk about it in more detail. You don't need to install any programs on your computer. Just open the website inspire.benq.com in your browser. First, you need to create a new account or log in with your Google account. The website will ask you to give it access to the camera and microphone. Click Allow. Now you can see yourself on the screen. At the bottom we can choose from 3 modes, such as portrait, high quality and a demo. There are also 4 shooting modes available: camera, video, scanner and QR scanner. You can use a button to freeze the video. Another feature of this software is a pencil to draw something on the screen. There are icons to mute and to choose from auto and manual focus in the lower right corner. Using the icons on the left of the screen, we can change zoom, rotate the screen, vertical flip, and horizontal flip, correct keystone, and use a ruler. The software also has a settings menu, where we can change a camera and microphone source, and change image settings. By the way, you can also add the second camera to the software. PIP screen and split screen are available. Okay, now I want to show you some demo videos in different modes. First, you can use BenQ ideaCam S1 Pro for online conferences. The camera is equipped with autofocus, you can move closer to it or further away. Using a remote control, you can zoom in or zoom out the image. By the way, BenQ ideaCam S1 Pro has 8 megapixel sensor from Sony with the maximum resolution of 3264 by 2448 pixels. I think the video quality is very good for the webcam. The next scenario of use is the desktop view or documents. You can put the camera down and show documents on your desk. Even the small text reads very well. By the way, the camera automatically flips the screen when you put the camera down. It is very convenient. The camera can also be used in handheld mode. However, it has no stabilization, so the video is shaky. Finally, my favorite mode is macro. The camera magnifies the image up to 15x with a special lens. You can see the smallest details on a tiny coin. So BenQ ideaCam S1 Pro is the most advanced webcam that I have ever tested. First, it has good video quality thanks to 8 megapixels sensor. However, its main feature is the different modes of use, such as portrait, desk view, handheld, and macro. The remote control is sold separately, but I think you should take it because it is very useful for online conferences. Finally, you don't need to install any programs on your computer because the new BenQ camera uses browser-based software Inspire. I find it convenient because you can quickly connect the camera to any laptop or computer. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon!